Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how we can edit a view only documents on the Google Sheet with a mobile phone. And here I already prepared to you the documents that I got. Whenever you open it, if your documents in a view only format, that could be pop up right here, a view only descriptions or informations about the format of these documents. If you cannot find those, you just need to type in this trace model on the top right corner, and right after the title, that could be information about the format of the documents. And you can see that here is clearly written view only, so you only can view these documents without have any access to edit it. So whenever you tap in the cells, you try to find the editing button, it could be fail, because the access that you can use for these documents is only view. So if you want to edit is, you just need to do this two simple way. Tap into these three small dots, and it could be a request edit access. So you just need to tap on it and then request it to the owner of these documents, and wait until the owners give you an access to edit the documents. But if you cannot wait for that long, you just need to do this instead. Tap into these three small dots, and after that go click share and export, and go click make a copy. And now the application will start to copy everything over those documents. And now you already got the whole access for the documents, and the owner of these documents could be you. You can just tap into the cell that you want to edit and tap into this checklist button, and then you just need to edit two information that you want to add into the documents. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop them in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll wait to see you for the next video.